Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We're watching the Dakota Winds Golf Course right now, live from the Dakota Magic Casino. Some gentlemen out there having some fun in the sun, and it's hot outside as well. Taking a look at your temperatures. First and foremost, let's get right to the holiday weekend forecast. We'll challenge records in both Grand Forks and Fargo. Take a look at this. Today, 92 degrees. That's not a record, but 95 on Saturday in Fargo should tie a record set back in the late 1940s. Your record in Grand Forks, by the way, tomorrow 93, so a very good chance of doing that for your day. Can you repeat that, please? All right, and taking a look at the July 4th forecast, it looks even hotter with some triple-digit heat not out of the question. We'll be close to a record in Fargo as we close out your holiday weekend. Right now out at Hector, we do have some great golf cart weather out there, near 90 degrees. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Make sure you're protecting yourself from the sunshine any way you can. Light winds today. That changes as well. Right now, mid and upper 80s across western and central parts of Minnesota, with 89 in Thief River Falls, Hallock. You're sizzling at 91, 92 in Jamestown. For Babe the Blue Ox right now, 87 degrees. And Babe is looking for some shade, but it's hard to find right now unless you're around some trees, because we have sunshine aplenty across the northern plains, scattered showers and storms from the Rocky Mountains into the deep south and the Atlantic states. Your hour-by-hour forecast, the red-hot 90s are here, and they will slowly work their way back off to the west as we head towards sunset, but it'll be in those 90s until that time, so be prepared for that. Light winds, quiet tonight with clear skies, and temperatures overnight will sneak down briefly into the 60s, but right away by the 7 o'clock hour, we're already zipping back up into the 70s. Now, as we head into the midday hours, watch the wind arrows start to populate the map here, and the yellow ones indicative of some gusty winds. James River Valley toward the Sisseton Hills, over 30 miles per hour there, and already by midday near 90 degrees for many. Heading into your afternoon, 90 will be the most common temperature that we see across western Minnesota, and then out to the west we'll see 95 to possibly as warm as 100 degrees. But there will be some increasing clouds as a weather wiggle works its way through on your Saturday afternoon. Best chance of storms from the late afternoon hours into the dinner hours, and our model paints them moving through the Red River Valley then and into the later evening hours, pushing through places like Fargo and Detroit Lakes. This will not be widespread. Thunderstorms are typically hit and miss. The risk of severe is not zero, but I don't anticipate severe. If we do see some sizable hail or gusty winds burping out of these storms will be the main threat. But the rain will be welcome no matter where it falls. Near 70 to start, and we're quickly going to get up into those 90s as we head into your afternoon. And I think my weather computer went dark here, so there it is. Okay, we're back on now in the mid 90s as we head into the late afternoon hours. The 90s stick around all the way beyond dinner. Then there's that chance of thunderstorms here in the valley between, say, 7 and 10 o'clock for Fargo. A little earlier up north, a little earlier out to the west. Your 4 o'clock snapshot shows only an isolated thunderstorm or two just developing, and temperatures in the 90s for most areas, and a record-setting day. With that record being 93 in Grand Forks, you'll hit those mid-90s tomorrow as well. Beautiful red sunsets and sunrises lately, thanks to additional particulates in the atmosphere caused by fires out west. Sue capturing this beautiful shot at Eagle Lake. Planning forecast, 96 degrees, sizzles in the sun. Here's your records for Grand Forks, 97 Sunday. I think you break it. You're going to be closer to 100 than Fargo probably will be, thanks to a drier last few weeks. 88 on Monday as we cool back modestly. And then look at this, refreshment from the heat on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, the area's best chance of some widespread and more meaningful showers still looks to be on Thursday and Friday. Models disagree on the timing and really the impact of this, but we're going to keep a close eye on that because rain after this heat will be handy.
I liked your nice, quiet golf voice there at the beginning, Hutch.
I'm practicing on that swing.
It was wonderful.
He's teeing off with the putter.
Thanks so much.
You bet.
Hey, one Minnesota woman says